Good morning. Not too bad. Do you mind if we record for liability in YouTube?
Of course we can.
We just like that.
Bring the dog out? He's not too friendly.
If he was, he could.
Yeah, I had another one he was friendly, but not this one.
Alright. Ooh, we like those clean outs.
Yeah. The only thing I attempted
Yep.
was I just unscrewed the trap, and there was a little piece of metal. It was it must have ate lobster a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
A little thing was in there, so I got that.
Oh,
out.
one of those little like
The little
pigs.
pig things.
Yeah.
That was it. After that, it hasn't
Okay.
gotten any better. So
There's no garbage disposal. That's good.
no, I didn't want to attempt it, but the dishwasher started backing up. So
Can we see what's below here, or is it a finished basement? Do you know what I mean? Is this pipe exposed downstairs?
yes,
It's exposed?
yeah,
All right, can we take a peek so we can see where it goes into the main?
yeah. Garage and on the other side. I don't think it's in there though.
Oh, I
Okay.
wonder if it's that one.
That makes more sense. Oh yeah, probably right here, right?
This one here.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Is it that this one across? There. Yeah, it runs this way.
Yeah, the snake is
So-
pretty much good.
And the kitchen sink's right above us,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, we'll snake from upstairs all the way down to the bigger pipe here.
All right. Because I don't have any other clog, any other thing in the house, so it must be something right there over time.
Yeah,
with the
just
food and
look,
stuff.
yeah. Just
Probably-
like soap scum buildup and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's probably what
Probably
it is.
should have got a disposal.
A garbage disposal?
Well, I
No, that
spent
would
10
make
years.
it worse. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too nice out. Need the 1.5 inch one. Check the long cabinet where the other cleanouts and stuff are. Check there. So you've been here for 20 years and this is the first time it's happened?
Yeah. Yeah, the exterior, we have when they built the house, it's on, the pump outside.
Yeah.
It's gravity fed, so the injection thing, that's gone a couple times. That's more of a pain in the ass. They finally put Zor in so we can tie in.
Right.
It's been like 2 years, but next time it screws up, I'm gonna have to tie in, because that thing's like, probably like $4,000 if it
Oh,
clogged.
wow.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want it to get clogged.
No, I just built a brand new development in Drake it, and they put 16 of those in, the same company, because there's no storage.
Right. But even still, if those are rental properties and people are flushing tampons and stuff, that's
Of course,
gonna
kids
clog
flush
that
walls.
up. Yeah.
My kids were I have 2 girls. They were flushing all kinds of shit.
Yeah, I'd say you're backed up, honey.
Let's see. There you go. You want a bucket?
No, I'm just gonna put it right in this thing. I just want to show it off in the camera. Don't worry, we don't use any personal information.
That's all right. What's your first name, so I know?
My name's Shelly.
I'm Lillian. Lillian, okay, great.
I'm just gonna put it right in here.
That's probably a few years worth.
A little bit.
That's why I called David. Says, David, doesn't have a problem. You might want to come down. I can do small construction, but plumbing, electrical, ain't gonna happen.
It's just sad that no one's getting into the fields anymore.
Yeah, I'll tell you, it's a dying. I'll tell you, that's where the money is. These kids that don't want to go to college, plumbers, electricians, you can't find them.
Right.
It took me a while to get. I had one for years. The same guys from Tunnels Plaza. They ended up the same company. They ended up, getting tired over time. The guy was doing this for years.
Right.
Doesn't want to do it. And I work at a dealership and came across a couple of young kids in the union in Boston. You can't get them because they're so busy.
Yep.
But they should go to a trade school because I'll tell you, there's money out there, you know.
See, I have 2 girls. I mean, she's built for this trade, but
Yeah.
my little one's definitely not.
Well,
built
that's the
for this
thing.
trade.
Yeah. This is your company?
It's my husband's, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they came, when my old house, my parents' house, every freaking month there was something quiet. There's 4 of us. We caught the toes and back then with septic and, drinking sewers, you make them up. My dad ended up buying something, not even buy that type of thing, but he used to have his own steam half the time. He tried to build a pump, it was a nightmare.
Right. Yeah, I could see that. I could see it being a nightmare.
Yeah.
This arm's gonna have to be here today. Oh, push that button. Good. Nope. Alright, so push it again. And then unplug it from there and plug it in on the side over there.
Here we go.
Alright, go ahead. No, I'm just wondering if it's just a little bit right here. I'm thinking it's backed up still, but... Or I went through the plug. Wasn't that far, like it wasn't that long. Yeah. So, all right, let's put his plug back in. We'll fill up the sink. Can you see if you can find the plug for the sink, and we'll fill that up? right here is back pitched.
Yeah.
So it's pointing backwards towards me, so I have to, I'm gonna put your plug back on and we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna dump this and then, make sure that's nice and tight. And then I can wipe up my mess at the same time. Whew. I'm gonna wear it. There we go. I do things very awkwardly. But I get them done. Alright, how full is that sink? Alright, so, yeah, no, don't stop it, just pull it. Did it go down? Alright, plug it back up then. Does it plug back up? Alright, so we're going to plug it back up, fill it up, as while we get all this stuff outside. We'll leave the camera in and up top. So that way there they can see it go down.
I should know that, right?
Can't get it much faster than that.
See?
Yeah, that's what
You're
I'm
good.
saying. It's going fast and it's
You want to do it? Good for you. We'll always have a job 24/7. You guys aren't 24 hours.
He used to be when he first started.
I was gonna say, yeah, that's not a little.
That's when you work for yourself, you make your own hours. Alrighty, so you take this, you can head back out, because that's gonna overheat. So do your outro and then we can bring in the. Okay, guys, that's what you call a successful kitchen sink line done. That makes sense. Anyway, stay tuned for more amazing content, and we will see you later.